Mastering in for months and years. Hello language learners. Welcome to our video on mastering the use of prepositions in English, specifically, the preposition in for months and years. Prepositions can seem tricky, but with a little practice, you'll have no problem using them correctly. In this video, we'll focus on using in for months and years when we talk about dates. Let's dive in. First, we'll start with when to use in. The preposition in is used with months and years. For instance, you would say, I was born in January, or I was born in 1990. It's important to remember that in should be used only with months and years. Let's delve deeper into using in with months. The formula is simple. Use in before the name of the month. For example, you might say, my birthday is in May, or the holiday is in December. Always remember to use in before the name of the month. Now let's discuss using in with years. Just as with months, the formula is straightforward. Use in before the year. For example, she graduated university in 2012, or he moved to the city in 2005. When referring to years, always use in before the year number. A common mistake is to use on or at instead of in when referring to months and years. Remember, we use on for specific dates or days of the week, and at for specific times. For example, you would say, the meeting is on Monday, or the concert is at 7 p.m. But when you are talking about just the month or the year, always stick with in. Well done for getting to the end of this video. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing using in with months and years, and before you know it, you'll have mastered this crucial preposition. Thank you for joining us on this learning journey, and we hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy learning!